Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows on HP OMEN Transcend 14. To update Windows, go to the settings, then go to Windows Update, and you may need to click on check for updates. Then you'll see the complete list of all updates that need to be installed. You can just click on download and install all and wait until they get all of them get downloaded and installed, and some of them will require you to restart your computer. And what I recommend is waiting until everything in this list, each of these gets downloaded and installed, and after that you can start restarting your laptop, so you just don't have to do it several times, because if you restart it once, it asks you after just one update is installed, then it may ask you again and again to restart it. So let's just wait until everything is installed. I think I'm just not gonna wait for these two updates, the cumulative updates for like Windows 11 and .NET framework, because they take too long for me to wait. Although the other ones, I'm just gonna wait until they get downloaded and installed. Yeah, so I think that none of the updates actually requires me to restart it, but if in your case anything requires to restart, then after everything is downloaded and installed, click on reboot now here, or you can also schedule it, I think, but I think it's the best to reboot it as soon as you can. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.